this month. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today is super exciting for me because I'm going to share with you my September haul from Grow Collaborative. And in this haul is the launch of the Mrs. Meyer's fall scents. And spoiler alert, I got both scents. I got a set of both scents. So I'm going to share with you what my pre-order was, and then I added some more to my September haul. And I'm really excited. So Mrs. Meyer's has been a favorite brand of mine for years. Just full disclosure, since I am a supporter of cruelty-free brands, I stopped shopping with Mrs. Meyer's, and side note, I also stopped shopping with Burt's Bees for a little bit too. Last year, or the year before, when I started going cruelty-free, and I have since decided that there are a couple of cruelty-free brands that are owned by non-cruelty-free companies that I'm going to continue to purchase from and support, because I want my dollars to have a voice, basically, and I want them to know that I support these cruelty-free companies. The more that we support these cruelty-free companies, it will be obvious to the companies that own them that we want their products. And so that is how I have decided to spend my dollars. There are only a couple of cruelty-free brands that are owned by non-cruelty-free companies that I'm going to support, and right now it is Mrs. Meyer's and Burt's Bees, which ironically both fall under the Clorox umbrella. So let's get into the fun part, the unboxing. So I want to share with you the complete fall bundle set that I pre-ordered because it's kind of big. So I'm going to start off with the Mrs. Meyer's products. This is the Everyday Cleaner and the apple cider scent. I also got the dish soap in the same scent. I think you had to purchase one scent for all products. Anyways, and then the hand soap and apple cider. So that was part of my bundle. And then in the bundle was also a Grow Collaborative soy candle. I only burn soy candles in my house because candles that are non-soy kind of aggravate my asthma. So this is the maple and nutmeg scent. The first time I ever got a Grow Collaborative candle was last fall, and I really, really enjoyed it. It smelled so good. I think I even burned it past fall, like into winter, but I love all those types of warm scents during the fall and winter months. And the other one that I'd gotten was the spring candle, and I loved that one. So I definitely had to get another candle this year. I also got one of their towels. This was in the complete bundle set. And this is the Marigold Yellow. I have this type of towel in like a bunch of different colors, and we use them all the time in our kitchen. There was also the Bubble Up Sponge Dish, which is a little confusing unless you are kind of showing you how it works. So this is a tray that sits like next to your sink, and it has this little spot that the sponge rests on. So you fill the bottom with like dish soap and water, and it has this little spring. So you put the sponge on top and squish it down to bubble it up, and then you can go about washing your dishes. So this one fits the sponges, and in the bundle comes a set of the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. I love these. I am still going through some of our old sponges, but after that I'll be going through a lot of these because I have a bunch of these like as a backup. But yeah, so that I have the round scrubber dish, and I really love that too. But this one obviously is for the rectangular sponges. And then I think the last thing in the bundle was a chapstick, which I love their chapsticks. Well, they call it a lip balm, but this is the vanilla and cardamom lip balm with hydrating argan oil, and it is the Grow Collaborative brand, and it comes in a pretty hefty size. I have the mint and argan from maybe last year, and it is still going strong, but I'll have to switch this out for the fall. But yeah, vanilla and cardamom is the scent. That one. So that was my pre-order, and now let's get into the other scent that I got. So the other scent that Mrs. Meyer's came out with was pumpkin, and I got a whole set of the pumpkin, of course. This is the hand soap, obviously, the dish soap, and the Everyday multi-surface cleaner. So I'm really, really excited to use those, and I'm going to get into the rest of my order. I have it like all lined up back here. So I didn't know that they made flour sack towels. Just a side note about the Grow Collaborative towels. I love those for like drying my hands. I feel like they're not as effective at drying dishes as like flour sack towels. I am a huge like linen flour sack tea towel collector, basically, and they dry dishes so well because they just soak up everything. So these are plain white, but I'm also thinking of maybe like doing some embroidery on them just to make them kind of like custom. I also stocked up on my Magnolia Method body wash. Love that, it smells so good. And we're trying a new shampoo from Jason. This is the Tea Tree Normalizing Shampoo, and it has provitamins and botanicals, and we love the Jason brand. I use their mouthwash and toothpaste, and we use their body wash, and I tried the biotin conditioner, and it's really good. So yeah, we love everything Jason. I also got some of my favorite body lotion from Grove Collaborative. I think it's like really blown out right now. This is a coconut body lotion with moisturizing coconut and rose hip oil. So that smells amazing, and it just like sinks into my skin and keeps my skin hydrated all day long. I'm trying 2 new things from 7th Generation. 7th Generation is another brand that I love, and this is their disinfectant spray. I don't use a lot of disinfectant sprays around the house, but I thought it might be nice to try. This is the Fresh Citrus and Thyme scent. And the last time I tried a 7th Generation like cleaner, it was a set of wipes. I hated the smell. It smelled so bad. But it was like lemongrass, something that was like citrus, and I just did not care for it at all. So I'm hoping that this, with the time, will smell a lot better. But if not, that's okay. I just want to try something new. I am trying these multi-purpose wipes from 7th Generation. These are the garden mint scent. I love mint. I'm hoping that I will like these a lot more than the lemongrass ones. Let's give it a smell. Yes. Oh my gosh. Like 100 times better than the lemongrass. That smells so good. It smells very fresh. Also the Method toilet bowl cleaner. This is in the spearmint scent. I don't know if they come in a different scent. This is the only scent I've ever found on Grove Collaborative, but I love it, so that's good. I got, this is the dish brush. I'm like, my mind went blank for a second. This is the Grove Collaborative dish brush, and so this is really great because you keep the handle forever, and then you just replace the dish brush head, which I really like. I feel like that's like less waste, because whenever you buy those like plastic handle brushes at the store, which I never do because I don't like them, but like whenever you buy like cleaning items like this, like it's so hard to like reuse them, because this is the thing that wears out, you know, and you have to replace your sponge so that you're not like washing with germs. And now you can replace this and just have like a new brush head. I love it. Let's see, 2 more things. I am going to try this Murphy's Naturals Seriously Soothing Bite Relief Soothing Balm. It has tea tree, peppermint, and eucalyptus in it. Our daughter gets bit of bite bugs so easily, and we're gonna see if this relieves any of the itch. And then last but not least, Grove Collaborative launched a tea-free paper line. That is hard to say. Anyways, so we are trying the toilet paper. It's a little bit personal. This is Ultra Soft Bath Tissue 4 Jumbo Rolls. It's called Seedling by Grove, and it is 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. And I was talking to a friend, and she tried it before I did, and she said that she did not really care for it because it's really thin, and I think she uses something thicker. I don't know if it was Charmin, but it was something thicker. And I said, well, we use Scott's, and she's like, oh, you'll be fine. So yeah, we just use Scott's tissue, in case you ever wondered. And yeah, so we're gonna try this, and there are some fun facts. Oh my gosh, okay. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20+ years. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much CO2 as trees. They have no pesticides used in the growing of their bamboo. Their sugarcane is a byproduct of sugar manufacturing, which is upcycling. And this variety of bamboo is not a source of food for panda bears, and it is also safe for all septic systems, which is part of the reason why we use Scott's, because it's supposed to be really good for septic systems. But yeah, if you want me to report back on this, I will. I don't know if anyone is curious about that. It's a little awkward talking about toilet tissue, but that's okay. It's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm super excited for fall. I'm going to leave my exclusive offer down below in the description box so that you can partake in the fall goodness along with me. Let me know what you order. I would love to know what your favorite scent is from the Mrs. Meyer's fall line. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.